In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Monarch Money account. Whether you're ready to move on or simply cleaning up your digital footprint, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you navigate the process smoothly and without confusion. Before we delve right into it, ensure you're logged into your Monarch Money account. This step is crucial as you'll need access to the account settings where the deletion magic happens. Now that you're logged in, the first thing you want to do is head over to the top right corner of your dashboard where you'll find the settings icon. Once there, click on it, which will lead you to a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. Think of this as the central hub where all your account management tools are located. Accessing this area is your first step toward giving your account a clean slate. Once you're in the account settings page, the next move is to scroll down the page slowly. As you reach the bottom of the list, you'll see the Delete Account option. This might be nestled towards the end, so take your time to ensure you don't miss it. Don't let its unobtrusive position fool you. It's your critical gateway for account termination. After locating the Delete Account button, click on it. This action will signify your intention to proceed with deleting your Monarch Money account. Now, depending on your settings or security measures with your account, the platform might ask you to confirm your choice. Consider this a safety net, designed to prevent accidental deletions. Here, simply confirm your decision. Once you've confirmed, Monarch Money might prompt you to enter your password. This step is crucial as it ensures you are the actual owner making the request and that no unauthorized actions are being taken. Type in your password carefully to verify your identity. If you have password management software, use it to simplify this process. With your identity verified, you will likely encounter one final confirmation dialog. It's Monarch Money's way of saying, "Are you absolutely sure?" Reviewing this cautionary note is your last chance to reconsider before the final curtain drops on your account. If you're sure about your choice, go ahead and hit that confirm button. So that's it. You've successfully navigated through the deletion process. Your account is now deleted. Remember to check your email for any final confirmation from Monarch Money, just so you have peace of mind that everything has been finalized. If you have any other questions or need further assistance with this or related tasks, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Monarch Money account effectively.